Hey there, it's Rick from Rgonzalezknives. Just wanted to put out a quick video, and I'm going to title this video a knife build, but not in the sense where you see a bunch of knife builds if you search knife builds out on YouTube, like I have, and gotten a lot of tips and ideas from other knife builders out there. What I've been doing, and I thought I'd share a little bit, it's like a 4 or 5 minute video, or it ends up being throughout my knife builds I do for people, is I just kind of snap a short video of a portion of it, or pictures as I go along through the build, and put it together at the end for that person to get with their knife and sheath combination. And it's just kind of a little thing that hopefully sets me apart from other builders and gives that person who may not be knowledgeable about knife building or what goes into it a glimpse of some of the work that we put into doing this thing for others. And so I'm going to show the video, and hope you guys just maybe can glimpse a little bit about it and enjoy it. that's it. It just usually ends up being a 4 or 5 minute little clip of something. And in this day and age, it's really easy to put that video on either a flash drive. You can go phone to phone, email it. I've done that, and it's, kind of goes along with someone else usually giving a gift of a knife to somebody, and they can say, hey, here's your knife, and then here's a little video of what this Rgonzalez guy did to build it. And I kind of give a little information in a letter form, with my logo, and saying what the knife was made of, what kind of handle material, what kind of steel it was. So that, paired with the actual physical knife sheath combination, kind of allows me to set things apart and hopefully stand out a bit. And so far I've gotten great reviews, and it's just not something I say when I offer a knife to somebody, but it's something they get as a bonus, and it doesn't take much more effort for me to do it. And so anyway, if you guys like it, give it a thumbs up, maybe use it in your own knife making, and enjoy. Thank you.